Hey there, I'm Britt and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Hey there, I can't wait for you to check out this house we have at Bylsma Manor. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, gorgeously updated, lots of attention to detail, all the right perfect spaces, and check out this adorable little entryway. Plenty of room in the backyard if you wanted to have some extras like maybe a pool or something like that. Let's go check it out. Hey there, we're over at this gorgeous home in Bylsma Manor off of 231. Nice kitchen, plenty of cabinetry you'll see, upgraded appliances, and you'll also notice throughout the home, as you can see in this living room, lots of upgraded lighting. We have recessed lighting, tray ceiling, gorgeous flooring, nice neutral color palette. Let's go check out the master bedroom. We're over here in the main bedroom that overlooks the backyard. As you can see, lots of attention to detail. Again, we've got these beautiful tray ceilings and recessed lighting. And I love the master bathroom because there's a tub, there's a shower, lots of space for makeup, ladies, and the closet. You could throw a party in there. It is huge. Plenty of room for all of your shoes. And I want to take you to another great asset to this house, which is the laundry room. Let's go check it out. So we're over here in what is designed to be a formal dining room, but it can also be a home office. One of the things that you're gonna love about this house is there's plenty of room for people together. You've got this really gorgeous open concept living and dining and a beautiful heated and cooled Florida room off of the living space, but you also have lots of space for people to kind of do their own thing. If you liked what you saw, make sure you click below. You'll find extra listing details like photos and much more. And don't stop, don't go anywhere. You have to make sure you subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.